In this video, I will share with you the best DJI drones in 2024. As a passionate aerial enthusiast, I've spent countless hours soaring through the skies with DJI drones. And in 2024, the lineup is more impressive than ever. So buckle up as I take you on a deep dive into the top 5 DJI drones, sharing my experiences and insights to help you choose the perfect flying companion. Number 1. DJI Mavic Mini 2, my go-to travel buddy. This lightweight marvel packs a punch, capturing stunning 4K footage with its stabilized gimbal. At 249 grams, it's sub 250 grams, meaning no FAA registration required, ideal for spontaneous adventures. The 10 kilometers transmission range ensures a reliable connection, and its compact size makes it a backpack essential. While its wind resistance isn't the best, its agility and ease of use make it perfect for beginners and casual flyers. Number 2. DJI Avata. Dive into FPV first-person view flying with this immersive powerhouse. The Avata's goggles transport you into the cockpit, offering breathtaking aerial perspectives. Its intuitive motion controls make maneuvering a breeze, even for first-timers. The 4K 60 FPS video captures buttery smooth footage, perfect for action shots and cinematic sequences. However, its lack of obstacle avoidance might not suit beginners, and the goggles add to the overall cost. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo Kit. This drone is a powerhouse packed in a mini package. The 4K HDR video is crisp and vibrant, and the vertical shooting mode makes it ideal for social media content. The Fly More Combo Kit includes extra batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying case, making it a complete package for extended adventures. Its tri-directional obstacle avoidance adds peace of mind, but its slightly larger size compared to the Mini 2 might require registration in some regions. Number 4. DJI Mini 3 Pro, the ultimate mini marvel. This drone boasts a larger sensor for exceptional image quality, 4K 60 FPS video, and master shots for cinematic auto-editing. Its tri-directional obstacle avoidance and active track ensure safe and effortless flight. However, its price tag is steeper than the Mini 3, and its 249 grams weight might still require registration depending on your location. Number 5. New DJI Mavic 3 Classic. For those seeking professional-grade performance, the Mavic 3 Classic delivers. Its Hasselblad camera captures stunningly detailed images and 5.1K video, while the 46-minute flight time gives you ample time to explore. The advanced obstacle avoidance and long-range transmission make it ideal for demanding tasks and professional use. However, its size and weight require registration, and its price tag is the highest of the bunch. Choosing your perfect DJI drone, ultimately, the best DJI drone depends on your needs and budget. Consider your experience level, desired features, and budget to make an informed decision. For beginners, the Mini 2 or Mini 3 are fantastic choices. For FPV enthusiasts, the Avata is a game changer. If you crave professional-grade performance, the Mavic 3 Classic is unmatched. And for a versatile all-rounder with great value, the Mini 3 Fly More combo is hard to beat. No matter which DJI drone you choose, one thing's for sure: you're in for an unforgettable aerial adventure. So take to the skies, capture stunning footage, and experience the world from a whole new perspective. Bonus tip: remember, this is just a starting point. Do your research, compare specs, and read reviews to find the perfect DJI drone for your unique needs. Happy flying!